Hello guys, Trista lunch is ready. Hello guys, welcome back again to another vlog. Okay, I hope this picture quality is good. Oh my god, see my load. I'm just coming from Lidl. Yeah, I started this vlog there. In case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So guys, welcome to my live. I'm starting a weekend vlog. So today I have a lot of things to do, which I think I've done the biggest one, which is this shopping, because today is the last day the kids are going to school. Yes, imagine they resumed school 3rd of January, and today is 3rd of February. It's the last day they are going to school. I was discussing this with my hubby yesterday, and it was like, when did they resume school? I'm like, okay, you're forgetting which country you are. You are in France. That's how they go to school in France. So they are going to be at home for like 2 weeks. So, you know, when you are at home with kids, you need food. So guys, this is everything I got from Lidl. This is a storage thinking. Yeah. Because lately I've been trying to like organize my house because I just feel like I need to organize. I don't really like seeing things everywhere. The thing just affects me so bad. So I've already started though. So I just got this storage bag from Lidl. I think this was about, let me just say, for euro €3.99 for both of them. Yeah, this is you can actually put this under the bed, which I like. Just pack stuff inside and just push it under bed. So I got the two for $3.99 each. So guys, I'm hungry. I want to look for something to eat, and I'll also be going out later to pick up what I ordered from Vertbaudet. I ordered some stuff for the kids. You guys know it says, yeah, this is time to save up. I like buying most of their things when it says, even though after sales I still get to buy here and there, but most of the things is better you just buy them in sales. That way you have to save up some stuff. Òpèrà nílẹ̀ yìí, òrẹ́gẹ́ mẹ́gbẹ́ Jésù mẹ́ni mẹ́tútẹ́. Òpèrà nílẹ̀ yìí, òrẹ́gẹ́ mẹ́gbẹ́ Jésù mẹ́ni mẹ́tútẹ́. Òpèrà nílẹ̀ yìí, òrẹ́gẹ́ mẹ́gbẹ́ La mama òpèrà nílẹ̀ yìí, òrẹ́gẹ́ mẹ́gbẹ́. So guys, I want to clean my fridge a little bit. Don't lie when I say I moved on. I cry when I hear a favorite song, and I would like just to bury my feelings now. It's an honest try. I guess I'm trying my way to become. Let me quickly show you guys this yeast. It's very good with for puff puff. This is what I normally use to make puff puff. Man, just 1 hour your puff puff will rise if you put it in a very warm place though. So I normally buy this from Leclerc, but I saw it in Lidl today. I was like, wow, I didn't even know that Lidl is sell it, and it's less than €1.
Like just to bury my feelings now. It's an honest try.
So guys, yeah, I'm done. At this stage, I want some food in my system. I'm so hungry. I still have some things on the table, which I'll put them away later. So I got some fresh strawberries.
I guess I'm trying my way to let go.
So guys, I'm done arranging everything. Take a look at that. How many of you like when your fridge is stocked up? I have all my fruits inside the fridge because it gets bad quickly when it's not in the fridge. So this is not time to waste money.
But all I get feels like refolding. And I would like you to marry me, don't let go. Oh.
This carrot have been sitting in my fridge for too long, so it's out. I think I'm going to see. Yeah, you can see some are bad and some are still okay. So I'll bring out the good ones and just roast them in the oven. So meanwhile, this is my kids' snack box. I just put different snacks in here, different kind of snacks. So when they want to snack, they go there and pick anyone they want. And so I put the remaining one here. So anytime when this is empty, we pick from here and we put them back here. My cupboard everywhere is stocked up and I'm super excited. Take a look at that. This is the up.
Please stay, please stay. You're floating.
I bought this yesterday from Leclerc. Yeah, this is a water filter. So because buying water is a lot of work, so I just got that filter so that we can be filtering our water at home. And I also got this vacuum cleaner from Ashon yesterday. This is what it's looking like. The brand is a 3-star premium vacuum cleaner, cordless flex tube. Got this for, let me just say, €60, $59.99. Yeah, since our vacuum cleaner got spoiled, we have not gotten another one, so I'm tired of using brooms. Guys, I'm going to be making wrap. Yeah, I have my chicken. Yeah, this chicken is already I stir fry this chicken myself. I just froze it, so anytime I want to make wrap, I bring it out. So I also got this bell pepper yesterday. It's already sliced, so I'm just going to mix everything together. And that's what I'm going to be having for lunch. Yeah, this is my breakfast / lunch though, because I only had coffee this morning.
Like a rainbow guiding me away. I can't get over you. Can't get over you. I can't get over you. I can't get over you. Can't get over. They still pretend you feel nothing at all, but no, you say feels like warm loving. I would like to carry you in my arms, oh, in my arms.
Lunch is ready.
A few moments later.
Okay, yes.
This one?
What? No, keep it, keep it. Attends, say coucou. Hello. Allez, let's go.
Please stay, please stay.
Abon, you people came here to play or to read?
So fast.
No, not yet. You take a book. Come and take a book that you want. Which one is this one? Nathan, you let me see it.
Ça c'est ici.
T'as tout compris. Coucou. What did you come to do here? What is this place called?
Bibliothèque.
In English?
I know it.
You're forgetting. Library. Mama.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome back here. We just got in now, so I'm going to be opening our order.
Voilà une petite fille qui a avalé une potion sans lire ce qui est écrit sur le flacon. Eh bien, elle a cassé toute la maison. À ton avis,
Harmony got a book from Vertbaudet. This is our birthday gift that Vertbaudet
il
sent
semblait
her. Happy beautiful Sunday morning.
Shady.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Sunday.
We are making a
Akara. Avec akara. And so, we go.
I'm not making it. I don't ask that if you want to take out.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, good morning. Oh la la. Let me remove my AirPods. Today is Sunday, 5th of February. Oh my god, look how I'm looking pink. Oh my god. Yeah, I washed and detangled my hair yesterday. Yeah, yesterday night before I slept. So I just combed it a little bit. My hair is thick, so I think my hair needs to be relaxed because I'm not on natural, like I'm on relaxed hair, so I need to retouch my hair. So I think after this one, once I lose it, I'm going to like relax my hair. It's due. So guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday. I think I said that before. So I'm going to my friend's house to make my hair. Yeah, I have all my extension. I have everything right here. Say coucou. Hello. So guys, this is the first part. We are done weaving the hair. So we have to start installing the extensions.
I'm gonna lie when I say I moved on. I cry when I hear our favorite song.
So guys, we are done. This is the final look. Wow. Look at how beautiful that is. So neat and fine. So fine, guys. I love it. This is my new look. New look is popping. New look is giving. New look is giving what it's supposed to give.